Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to print money with Facebook ads, while everyone else just burns cash? The truth is, running profitable paid ads isn't easy. You need audience research. You need winning ad creatives. You need high-converting copy. You need a campaign strategy. And if you're not experienced, Facebook ads can become a very expensive mistake. That's why businesses spend thousands of dollars hiring performance marketers, ad agencies, and social media marketing experts. But what if AI could do most of that work for you? Today, I'm testing an AI tool called GoMarble AI that claims to help you run Facebook ads, create ad campaigns, find target audiences, generate ad copy, and launch better paid ads without needing years of marketing experience. If you're trying to learn how to run Facebook ads, how to run paid ads, promote affiliate offers, sell digital products, grow a business, or simply stop wasting money on advertising, you'll want to see this. Because if this tool works as advertised, it could save you thousands of dollars and completely change how you approach paid advertising. Before we jump in, if you're interested in AI tools, content creation tools, automation software, and online tools that can help you save time and make more money, make sure you subscribe to Ray Creators Lab and turn on notifications. I test the latest AI tools so you can quickly find out what's worth using and what's not. Now, let's dive into GoMarble AI. If you'd like to try GoMarble AI for yourself, I've put the link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows me to keep creating in-depth tutorials like this one. If you're serious about running better Facebook ads, creating more effective paid ads, or streamlining your marketing workflow with AI, definitely check it out. Don't click away yet. The next video shows another AI tool that can save you even more time and money. Yes, you heard me right. Click on the video showing on your screen right now.